Hello and welcome back to my channel, Beautiful Booty. My name is Melina. No, just kidding. My name is Madame Kofnuskotze and welcome back to my channel where we have a recent situation, a recent upload, a recent video I did, April 2020. My crippling depressions made me make a video. No, they don't. I just sat down and thought I'd make a video because I have a cute mask. I got this from a friend of mine. If you follow me on Instagram, you can find out from whom. Now, I wanted to make today's video about something helpful for people who struggle with money, because for a lot of people times have changed. Yeah, we are back in the 20s. As everybody wanted, the roaring 20s are back with pandemics and we have to wear masks. And I can look like a Mortal Kombat character, and that's fine. And yeah. That's all. But for me personally, nothing has changed. Like, there are a lot of people who are struggling, people who were social. I was never social. I went to my work. I am at home. I never go out. I do not see people. I don't do anything. I'm at home and I'm at work. Now this time I go to work, but I don't use the public transportation. Oh, the only thing that I do is normally I do my nails. And look at them. They grow out and I lost one. I lost one. I don't think it will focus because it's a fucking phone and not a camera. And yeah, but I lost one, so that's not important. I wanted to talk about something more important. Oh my god, somebody will listen with headphones and I clapped. Now, I wanted to stop clapping. Now, I wanted to tell you something helpful. If you struggle now with money, you maybe lost your job, or just times are really hard for you for some other reason, because you bought toilet paper so that you can build a wall or make this cat game people do now. Now you can get money on the internet, and you also, if you say, I don't know, my family, friends, parents, grandparents, corpses under my bed, nobody can have to find out. It can be anonymous. I mean, only if you have not been as dumb as me. I am a dumb person. I am covered in tattoos, so everybody will recognize them. But if your skin is pure, you can sell it. I mean, not your skin, but you can sell pictures of your body parts, especially feet or your feet. Yeah. No, your belly button. You can also sell belly button, or what you find in your belly button. Maybe you are sitting at home eating a lot of shit, never wash yourself. Whatever you find in your belly button, you can sell that. And now I wanted to talk. You can now, if you want to sell these pictures, you just can't get on the internet and just post pictures and assume you get money. No, you must do research. You must dig deep in the internet. You must find the people that want them. And I can hear you scream, kids. I can hear you scream saying, Madame, but I'm a man. I have hobbit feet. I have hairy feet. I have so bad fungus under my toenails. I don't care. Somebody will buy it. Somebody will love it. You have to find the audience that will love it. It doesn't matter if they are hairy, stinky, there's no smell pictures, or there is fungus or some others, or you lost them, or there is some other. You can find people that buy them, and nobody will find out it's your feet as long as there is no tattoo or anything on them. So now you need to research, find forums, Instagram pages where they post these pictures, or feet lovers, or Twitter, and then you have to interact with this base of people, and then you can make a page or an Instagram where you tell people that you sell those pictures. And you need to have one little preview of your feet, not too much, just a little cheeky thing. Maybe put something on it, or maybe just have it behind some nearly transparent material. It should be a bit transparent, but not completely, so you can see it. And then maybe if you did your research, and if you really talk to these people, and if you build your friends or fandom or whatever, you can maybe sell your feet pictures, not your feet, as socks or whatever, belly buttons, what you find in your belly buttons, and make money. And nobody will find out it's you. It's not linked to you. And if you do that, and if you make a lot of money, please donate money to me, and in the donation say, hey, thanks for the idea for anonymous feed picture selling. That would be so nice, you know, if you could donate it. Like everything to donate is in links is below in the bar, so you can donate for this wonderful idea of selling pictures of your body. I mean, if you don't give a fuck, you can also do that if you are tattooed, but I personally would not, because, you know, then you maybe have to be social in real life. If you are a social person, it's fine, you know, you can leave that out. But that would be one thing. No matter how you look, how your feet look, how hairy, you can do that. Maybe you can even unplug the hair of your feet and then sell them, you know, like in a bundle, or like just one, or you can scrape your feet, you know, if you like a cheese grinder, you can sell those too. I mean, there is this girl who is selling bath water, so maybe somebody wants to, I mean, don't accept that somebody will buy your feet cheese grind stuff for as much money, but maybe you can make a bit money and do that. But do not, you know, fake it and buy Parmesan cheese and like sell it also, or do it and support Italy, I don't know. But you should actually try it if you really need money, or tell people, if you know somebody who needs money, and tell them to donate me money, because I made you this wonderful idea. I give it to you in these hard times. The light is going off because it's dark at night. I just came home and I'm sorry. But that's my life. So I hope you had a wonderful time. I still don't know what I should do with my hair. My cat's starting to fight. And I hope you had a wonderful and great week. I hope you are wearing your masks. I hope you use washable masks, because do I have to explain to people why to use washable masks? It's way better to like go home and wash them. Yeah, do not bitch at people who still go out, because I mean, at least in my country, you are allowed to go outside on a walk or like running or do sports. You can do that. It's not evil. So don't bitch at those people if they are alone. If they are in a fucking group and drinking and leaking shit, yeah, then bitch about them, of course. The other thing is, oh yeah, the other thing is, you wear masks to protect others. So because a lot of people are saying like, oh, but these washable masks are not protecting me. We have a pandemic. We should think in a group. God, I'm getting dark. I mean, the light. Oh, God. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to say. I hope you still have a wonderful time. I hope YouTube is helping you. I hope that you still have your job. I hope you can do homework, home office, or if you are in school, I have no fucking idea what you do. Like, I could not imagine graduating now. I could not. It's impossible for me to imagine how this would happen or how this would work. And yeah, that's it. I'm sorry for you. Choose your fighter. Oh, that would be so cool. Why have I just now turned it on? Yeah, that's my problem. Oh my God, it looked like I had no neck. It was wonderful. It's the dream of my dreams. But yeah, this was my video, and it's hopefully, apparently recent. It depends on when I upload this. We had Easter. That must be really weird if you have kids, like Easter, and like with social this social distancing and the Easter bunny, and maybe that would work. I mean, he's a rabbit, so he actually can't get it, although there were like cats and dogs who got it, so maybe the Easter bunny can also get it. Who knows. But yeah, it just was Easter. I do not have a Switch, so I can't play Animal Crossing. I mean, I can play it on my DS, and that's why I started again. Yeah. Lavender is my city. I wish I had a Switch, but you can't get it at Mount. Maybe I should also sell pictures. But no, my biggest dream was always to be a pimp for some weird stuff, you know, some weird creepy stuff. And I thought maybe I can be now in these times a pimp, an online pimp for feet pictures, or for some weird belly button crazy stuff, like people selling their belly buttons. That would be actually really awesome if I could be a feet pimp and people could donate me money because they sold their feet pictures or the belly button stuff. Yeah, that would be awesome. That's also like a thing that introverts could do. Oh my god, like, oh, and I cut my hair. I mean, it's shitty, and I know that like a lot of this whole hairdresser side of YouTube, they would hate it, but at least it's fun. I mean, wow, now I will show you on a black shirt in darkness. But yeah, this I mean, it's fine, I think. Okay, I still don't know what my hair color is, or what it ever will be, or if I will ever color it again, or if I cut myself fringes. But yeah, you can always come back for new tips. That's an outro. And this thing is making noises. So I hope you have a wonderful day, week, April, or whenever you see this. If you see this in the future, it is 2020 and we had a pandemic. I think you still know that, and it will change, I think, how people see things and symbols. And you know, if you're an artist and you do art stuff, people will now see it differently. It looks so weird, the video, but it looks also nice, like awesome. I don't know, maybe it's okay, maybe it looks bad, but that's it. That's my outro. I hope you like the tips. Maybe if you really struggle with money, I would really suggest this. Like, if nobody finds out, it depends on how old you are, of course, but if nobody finds out, it's fine, I guess, to do that. I mean, it's so distracting. So bye.